good morning, good afternoon, good night, whenever you will watch this video. So from today onwards, we are starting a new subject which is English. And in this subject of English, first chapter is that which is vocabulary building. So in this video, we will discuss about first topic of this chapter which is introduction to word formation. So I hope you are ready with your pen and paper. So without wasting much time, let us start this video. So over here I have written the first topic which is introduction to word formation. Now in this topic, which things are there to understand? So first one is its definition, that what is introduction to word formation, that we will understand. So word formation means what? That a simple way to define, understand and use or utilize a word is by coming to know its formation. That means what? That supposing one word is there and if you want to understand this word, or if you want to define that word, or if you want to use that word in your sentence, at that time for you it is very much necessary that from where that word is formed. As for example, over here so many examples are there. As for example, this word is there, accidental. Accidental is the word. Now if you want to define the word or if you want to understand this word, or you want to utilize or use that word in your sentence, at that time first thing is what? First thing is that this word is utilized, or that word is formed from which word? So that word is formed from this word, accident. So from accident, we are forming one word which is accidental. So accidental means what? It is the formation word of accident word. I hope you are able to understand. One more example, that is boyhood. If you want to define boyhood, or if you want to understand boyhood, or if you want to utilize or use that boyhood word in your sentence, at that time first thing is what? That you must know that that word is formed from which word. So boy is the word. From this word that boyhood is formed, that means formation of boyhood is from boy. Similarly, stability is the word. That stability word is formed from stable word. So stability is known as word formation of stable word. Similarly, nicely is the formation of nice word. So that is known as what? Formation of this word from nice. Similarly, triangle is the formation of word. That triangle word is formed from what? Angle. Over here minibus is there. Formation of word is which one? Bus. From the bus you can form this minibus. Similarly, that is your oversmart. Oversmart, that word you are forming from what? Smart. So smart is known as what? Main verb and main word, and from main word you are forming this word. Okay, next is antisocial. So antisocial, that word is formed from the social word. So that is known as formation of a social word. That is known as word formation. Similarly, Superman, word formation, that is formed from man word. Similarly, kingdom, that word is formed from king word. Similarly, machinery word is formed from machine word. And finally, friendship is formed from friend word. So these are the examples of word formation. So simply you should remember, word formation means what? That if you want to, over here three things: define, understand or utilize the word. At that time it should be necessary to you to know its formation. Its formation means what? That is the word from which that word is formed. Okay. Now we'll proceed further. That next is what? That every word has one root. Every word has one root. If we put suffixes and prefixes at the root, then the shape and shade of the word will change. That means if you have one root, okay, what is root, what is suffix, what is prefix? For that I will prepare separate video. But right now in short we will try to understand the meaning of root, suffix and prefix. So when root is there, and to the root if you will put some prefix and some suffix, at that time meaning of that word would be changed. That is known as shape and shade of the word would be changed. That means meaning would be changed. Okay. As for example, root, supposing operate. In detail, you will understand about root, suffix and prefix in the next video, so need not to worry. Right now, understanding shortly. Okay, operate, that is what? Root. Okay. Then prefix. Prefix means what? The words that we are putting before root. Before root, we will put prefix co. So over here, operate is the root, and that is your prefix. So prefix plus root is equals to what? Cooperate. So meaning of that word is changed. Root word is operate. And next word is what? From this operate, word formation is what? Cooperate. So shape and shade of the root word is changed. Why? We have located prefix. Okay. Now again root is operate and suffix is are. Now suffix means what? Such words that we are placing at the last of the root. So at the last of the root suffix is are. So root plus suffix is operator. Operate is the root, at the last also suffixes are located. So operator. Original word is what? Operate. That means that is your verb, and that is operator means what? That is your noun. So verb to noun is there, and that is your new word. That means shape and shade of this word is changed. Original word was operate, noun. Verb, and that word indicates noun. So for noun and verb also I will prepare the separate video. Okay. Now if you will combine suffix and prefix both, that means over here suffix plus root plus prefix. So over here cooperator. Cooperator. So over here cooperator. Co is what? That is your prefix. R is what? That is your suffix. So again we will get the new word, which is your cooperator. So that is all about the word formation. So simply you should remember that word formation is based on three things: root, prefix and suffix. So if you locate prefix and suffix, then shape and shade, or you can say meaning of the word, would be changed. So this is all about the first topic, introduction to word formation. You can take the screenshot also. Now I would like to end this video. Once again we will meet in a new video with a new topic. So till then, read hard, work hard. Thank you very much.